Hi everyone. This video will be dedicated for deriving the characteristic equation of self-excited series DC motor. We can see here from the circuit diagram that the armature current will also pass the field winding. So both windings will have the same current. So we can say here that by Kirchhoff voltage law, VA equals EA back EMF plus RA IA plus RF IA, which equals EA plus RF plus RA both multiplied by IA. So this is equation number 1. Also we know that EA equals K phi omega, which is equation number 2. Equation number 3 for torque, which equals to K phi IA, which is equation number 3. Also from equation number 3, IA equals torque divided by the constant K multiplied by phi. So substituting 2 and 4 in 1 yields VA equals K phi omega plus RF plus RA both multiplied by T divided by K phi. So we can say that omega will equal to VA over K phi minus RF plus RA both multiplied by T divided by K phi square. So this is the equation here. There is a hidden problem that when t equals 0, we will get infinity. How? Because we know that K phi equals DIF. And here IF equals IS, so equals DIA, because IF equals IA. Because here also you can see here is IF, which is also IA. This means that phi equals D over K IA, which equals K anything. So we can say K prime IA, and let's say that this equation, for example, 5, this 6, and this is 7. So by substituting 7 in 3 T will equal to K prime IA square, or IA, because this term will equal to phi. So this one will equal to KS, let's say it is KS IA square. And let's say it is equation number 8, where Ks equals K times K prime. This means that IA will equal to square root of T over Ks, which is equation number 9. So substituting 9 in 7, phi will equal to K prime multiplied by T over Ks. Let's say this is equation number 10. Now substituting 10 in 6, omega will equal to VA over K times K prime square root T over Ks minus RF plus RA times T over K prime square root of T over Ks square. So this will equal to what? To VA over square root Ks square times T over Ks, because K times K prime equals Ks, and inside the square root will be square, minus RF plus RA times T over square root Ks square times T over Ks, all square. So Ks will go, and also here will go, and also here T will go with T, because square root of T and square will be T. So omega will equal to VA over square root of KST minus RF plus RA over Ks. So this is the characteristic equation of self-excited series DC motor. And also we can simplify it more. We can say that omega equals to VA over square root of KST minus C, where C is a new constant and equals to RF plus RA over TS. So as we can see here that the torque cannot be equal to 0. So this is the characteristic equation of self-excited series DC motor. Thank you so much and goodbye.